spent a whole day taking photographs. We can't have double glazing because of the listing. It used to be there was only a chapel on the Sunday. We were all more open-minded now about the denominational differences. There were meetings in the vestry, Mehefin around, choirs, the sisterhood, ladies of the chapel. The organ was huge. It only took a little time to make it nice and clear for the Christmas service, the story sheet was on for a bit. She also mentioned her husband's funeral having been here. I hadn't realised that the reason for the delay in the plans had been someone so close. Did they have all the breakfast tables? So quiet I stopped digging my blood up and around my body, while I was something like pregnant. Very hard to find, as the sea tilted backwards to the little penny lines, so that it was a steam difficult to breath. Left open for us as it rained. The piano also seems hardly used, quite out of tune, and many notes slipping and not responding quite as they should. No, some of the best tones from the Shouder on one hand got left out. Their organist is 83, she looks years younger, he says, and has played there for 62 years. But at least everyone's singing from the same hymn book, except Pulpudau. What does it matter if there are different denominations? There's no difference. You would be happy to go to a chapel everyone together. Sudden burst of sunshine as we went in, and confetti on the floor. There must have been a wedding. The Alexandra Ed Harmonium was stiff and belched an enormous sigh of dust.